riddle of the firework. God's reality is like a firework that was carried up a hill. It was lit and its fuse burned painfully and brightly, so brightly that the whole world could see it. The fuse burned for 33 years, but then it fizzled out. Everyone thought it was a dud, so they buried it in the ground. But after just a few days, it appeared again, and the fuse was alight. Suddenly, seemingly without warning, the firework flew up into the sky and exploded into uncountable lights, which spread out far and wide. The lights began to fall, and as they did, they were not just light, but they were fireflies. Some people walked away, others laughed, others watched. Some opened their hands, and to those people, the fireflies came and made their home.